Hey folks! Welcome back to another exciting episode where today we're diving into the fascinating world of electrical circuits. Whether you're a budding engineer or just curious about how electricity powers our world, this video is for you. So, what exactly is an electrical circuit? Simply put, an electrical circuit is a path in which electrons from a voltage or current source flow. Imagine it like a loop. You have a power source, like a battery, and a load, like a light bulb. Connecting these with wires creates a complete path for electricity to travel. Now let's break it down to the basics. Voltage, current, and resistance. Voltage is the electric potential difference between 2 points. Think of it as the push that makes the electrons move. Current is the flow of electric charge usually measured in amperes. And resistance is the opposition to the flow of electrons measured in ohms. Ohm's law ties these together in a neat formula V equals I times R, where V is voltage, I is current, and R is resistance. Let's talk about different types of circuits. The simplest form is the series circuit, where components are connected end to end. The current has only one path to take. If one component fails, the entire circuit breaks. In contrast, a parallel circuit has multiple paths for the current to flow. If one component fails, the current can still travel through other paths. This is why your home is wired in parallel circuits. If one light bulb goes out, the rest stay on. Here's where it gets interesting. Combining series and parallel circuits can create complex systems that power everything from small gadgets to entire buildings. Now you might be wondering, how do we measure these electrical properties? Enter the multimeter. This handy tool can measure voltage, current, and resistance. It's essential for diagnosing and troubleshooting circuits. And let's not forget about safety. Always make sure your circuit is powered off before making any connections or measurements. Electricity is powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility. To sum it up, understanding electrical circuits is all about knowing how voltage, current, and resistance interact. Whether you're building a simple circuit or a complex network, these basics will guide you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Dive deeper into the world of electricity and keep those circuits alive. Thanks for watching, and happy experimenting.